So this was something I said, you were not supposed to do this. This is something that GMC is not going to do. So if you're here testing me on how good I am, try it with someone else. This is not something they're wasting your time. So be aware of such people in the academy, and please, even if you get some people, do not be like such a person. You are there to, at the end of the day on the exam, it's the average score.
Okay,
So, yeah,
exactly,
it's the
100%.
average
No,
score.
I agree with that point. If someone discourage you,
Yeah.
just change your partner. And the
Yeah.
thing is that if
Look
someone,
for a good practice partner.
yes, yeah, the good thing is that if someone is discourage you and you want to know that he has given you right feedback or wrong,
Yeah.
you already have the GMC marking criteria.
Marking criteria, yes.
So you can see that, just double check that, is he right or wrong, and do this scenario with someone else who is positive or who is expert. If he give you good feedback, and if two people giving you the same feedback, then improve yourself as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So don't worry about the negative feedback, your
Yeah.
smile, your positivity
Yeah.
gonna hypnotize your examiner. Don't worry. Just go smile, wear good clothes,
Yeah.
do normal routine, go for exercise before that, do your skincare, wash your face very well, take a
Enjoy being in Manchester. Yeah, this
yeah,
is one
cold
thing I like
shower,
to say. Yeah.
and have a good coffee, do some laughing and like jokes, crack some jokes before your exam. That's it. This is what you need to feel good,
Yeah.
to have good. So that's the whole thing. The whole tip is the PLAB-2. You will enjoy it. Is the easiest exam of your life. Yes, Dr. Gibson, you still have another question.
Yes, for the fundoscopy station, I understand that there would be both a real patient and a mannequin. Do we, after asking the history to the patient and then moving on to the mannequin, do we perform the full examination on the mannequin, or do we do the red reflex on the patient first? Like what's the situation there?
No. So you're gonna do the mannequin on the mannequin here. So few of the if they want you to do the red flags on the page, they will guide you through. They will signpost you, go to the mannequin. Don't worry about that. So that you will do that. They won't ask you. Few of the examination like talent test, they will show you do it. Like breast examination, the female would be wearing breast, and when you would say I want to examine breast, she will open the, like a mannequin would be there, breast mannequin.
You'll be wearing a jacket over it. So
Jacket,
she will
jacket
remove the jacket.
mannequin.
Okay. I
And
also, yeah, regards to the Allen's test, do we perform the Allen test on the patient or on the mannequin hand
yeah,
before
I
we
think
do
it's
the
now coming on the real
on the
patient.
patient?
On the real patient is coming on.
Okay, all right, I was wondering.
It totally depends upon
Okay,
that
thank
day
you.
what they want. Neck examination is on the real patient. I think hand examination is on the real patient nowadays. So it used to be a foot and joint examination is on the real patient nowadays. They keep changing. Okay. Any other question? Yes,
Yeah,
Neil.
they will guide you in the exams. Okay, so it will be written in your scenario, or they will guide you in the exam. So follow how they are guiding you. Okay.
Okay, great.
All right. So there is another question, Dr. Hina. Where can we get a GMC marking criteria? Is on the
GMC website. Yeah.
website is on that, and we
PLAB-2
will at
under
some
the
point will
PLAB-2.
talk about that. So our next course is starting on 15th of July. So possibly in that first introduction class, I will walk you through the detail how you will be marked on. And that's it. So no more questions. So a bit introduction about myself and UKPass Academy. And my name is Dr. Zeeshan. I've been here in UK from last 4 years. I've been teaching from 2013. I love teaching. And my academy is based in Oldham and Manchester, and which is quite nearby to your exam center. And if you want to see that what we are providing, go to ukpassacademy.com. And I do recommend to get your mentor, start preparing well. Noor is one of the mentor. She's giving few short courses, and you do need practical sessions, and you do need sometime a few guidance, full guidance. If you need any help from my side, you can ask. Do
Yeah,
you
I do
have a
have
branch?
the.
Hiba, thank you very much. So I want to highlight one point that would be very interesting. Might be in August, we will have a practice room in August or
London.
July in London. I'm in that process. And in August or July, we are going to have a practice room and courses running in Lahore as well, in University of Lahore, UCMD. So my proposal is being accepted. So the UCMD, University of Lahore, you might be able to go and practice there as well. So that is the part of UKPass Academy for London and Manchester. I will announce soon. Stay tuned and keep looking on our website, our community groups and everything. Yes, Noor.
Yeah, I was just wanted to mention again about the prescription courses that are coming up. My prescription class for the month of July, and if anybody is interested in taking the prescriptions, I would
Yes,
really
please. And Dr. Noor
those prescriptions.
will be teaching prescription in the
Yeah.
UKPass Academy courses as well. And she's offering separately as well. So
Thank you.
whatever you like to do. And she's a very good teacher. She will be teaching with us in our full courses as well.
Inshallah.
No more questions. If you have, we are more than happy to answer, and you can drop us a text. If you want to know more about our courses, you can drop a text anytime to me, Dr. Noor. And one more thing, Dr. Noor forgot to tell you. So for our full course, we are offering full course. If you are coming through the Dr. Noor, you will have discount, very big discount.
Yeah, I do have the discount coupons Dr. Zeeshan gave me. So I also mentioned in the group, if you want to book Dr. Zeeshan's full course, which is starting 15th July, Dr. Zeeshan is offering a discount through me. So if you want to avail that discount, you can message me for that.
Thank you very much, Noor. And the whole year's courses dates are there. And our courses are a bit different because we are working on simulation-based teaching more mentorships, and you will like it. If you want a taster, see YouTube, watch our sessions. And if your exam is nearby, you want only hands-on practice, we cover everything, examination, sim and procedure, everything in one day. If you want that, just knock the door of UKPass Academy in Manchester and come see us. If you don't want anything, if you need any guidance, come meet us and see our building, see how we are doing, practice with us. Yeah, good luck, guys.
Please guide how many classes are required for prescription. Okay, so the prescription course that I am offering, it's my way of teaching is I usually do not do any sessions more than 2 hours, because I personally believe that your attention span cannot last more than 2 hours. So for sim and for communication, all the communication scenarios, even for prescription, my courses, the lectures that I give are 2 hours. For prescription, I take 2 classes, which are 2 hours each, and I divide all the prescriptions in 2 halves. Half of the prescriptions are covered in session 1, and half the prescriptions are covered in session 2. And that's all you need for your prescription station. And after that, all you need is to practice on the prescription forms, and that's it. I hope this answers your question.
Thank you very much. I think we should, and now it's a half an hour extra for this, I was thinking.
Yeah, it's okay. I think the question and answers, they were really good. The doctors, they did ask a question and had some confusions, and I hope those confusions are now sorted.
Thank you very much, guys. Take care.
Thank you for this opportunity.